Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
I will show fast methods to stop automatic updates in Windows 10 today. Open Settings and go to Update and Security to start. Click Windows Update and choose Pause Updates for 35 days immediately. If you need more control, set your active Wi-Fi as a metered connection in Network Settings. Windows treats metered connections differently and delays most background updates and large downloads. Use this method when you need temporary control without changing system services or For stronger control, open the Services console by running Services. MSC Now. Scroll to the Windows Update service and double-click to open its Properties window. Change Startup Type to Disabled and then click Stop to end any running process. Click Apply and OK so the service cannot restart automatically on boot. This prevents Windows Update service from running until you manually re-enable it. Use this approach when pause options are insufficient or for supervised machines. For advanced users, use group policy or registry edits to stop automatic updates. Run gpedit. MSC and navigate Computer Configuration, Administrative Templates, Windows Components, Windows Update. Edit Configure Automatic Updates and set it to Disabled to block automatic installs. Alternatively, open Registry Editor and go to HKey Local Machine /Software /Policies /Microsoft /Windows Update /O. Create or set No Auto Update as a DWORD value to 1 to disable updates at the registry level. Back up the registry and create a restore point before making changes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.